Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini, and today we're going to learn words about sports. Before learning the words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Sports, and it is now circled in pink. That pink arrow is pointing where we start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right. Pay attention because as I read the poem, the words are going to be circled in pink, okay? So let's go. Sports. It's time to have races. It's time to have fun. On your marks, get set, jump, skip, run. Whether it's cycling, swimming, or surf, I love all sports and doing my best. Tennis, football, and basketball too. If there is a ball, I will play with you. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, we're going to present the vocabulary words. Pay attention because I'm going to say the word once, and then I'm going to count it to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and you are going to say the word with me. Okay, so let's go. Running. 1, 2, 3. Running. Cycling. 1, 2, 3. Cycling. Swimming. 1, 2, 3. Swimming. Surf. 1, 2, 3. Surf. Tennis. 1, 2, 3. Tennis. Football. 1, 2, 3. Football. Basketball. 1, 2, 3. Basketball. Okay, so now that you know the words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Okay, let's go. Sports. It's time to have races. It's time to have fun. On your marks, get set, jump, skip, run. Whether it's cycling, swimming, or surf, I love all sports and doing my best. Tennis, football, and basketball too. If there is a ball, I will play with you. Okay, so now I have a challenge for you. I want you to do sports every day. Try to do sports every day, okay? And each day you do sports, you have to draw a star on the day you did. So, for example, if you did sports on Monday, you draw a star on Monday. I hope you draw a lot of stars every day. And bye-bye, because I am going to do some sports. Bye!